Welcome! If you're looking to clean up your Instagram profile and remove old highlights, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to delete your highlights on the Instagram app using your PC following the latest update. Whether you want to tidy up your profile or just get rid of outdated stories, these steps will help you do it quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you have access to your profile and highlights. Next, look to the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Click on the menu icon to open up the full list of features. From here, scroll down and find the option labeled Your Activity. Click on it to enter the activity section, where you can manage all your content and interactions. Inside your activity, you'll see a section called Photos and Videos. Click on this to view all your media, including your highlights. Now, select the Highlights tab. This is where all of your saved stories are organized. You'll see a list of all the highlights you've created over time. To delete highlights, click on the Select button. This will allow you to choose multiple highlights at once. Go ahead and select all the highlights you want to remove from your profile. Once you've made your selections, look for the Delete button. Click on it, and a confirmation prompt will appear to make sure you really want to delete these highlights. Confirm your choice, and just like that, your selected highlights will be permanently removed from your Instagram profile. That's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can keep your Instagram highlights section fresh and up to date. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on using Instagram and other social media apps. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.